what you will eventually do from doubting yourself is that you have to start believing in yourself. And your first step is trying. You will have to try, take your first step, try what you have been doing again, and keep doing it until you are able to generate something out of what you are doing. Because if you put yourself down because of what somebody perceived you to be or perceived what you are doing to be, and you decide to slow down or you decide to opt out, sometimes it might just be how you feel. And you actually wanted to derive a new result that you want to see but you're not getting. Let me help you. One of the things you can do is either you try something else. Yes, most likely you have to try something else to get a new result. But if you love what you're doing and you want to really stick with it, then your risk is spending much more time to become better at that thing. Your return on investment will be the reward for your consistency, for your diligence. Whatever anybody have said, don't let it define who you are. What you need to start thinking about is what you are starting with. Are you starting based on doubts? Or you're starting based on what you actually believe in, what you actually have faith in? You have to believe that what you are currently doing become something big. And if you're actually consistent, what you're actually doing currently will blow your mind. The expectations you have for yourself will actually be below what you become. So don't stop doubting yourself, stop doubting your skills. Try a different way of doing what you're doing. Try a different approach. You don't have to copy anybody. We all know the things that we are supposed to do to become actually better. Sometimes you don't just do them. This is the definition between somebody winning and somebody dominating. Person dominating actually look at that extra work and they killed everything else to ensure that that extra work is done and achieved. Look at yourself, look at where the doubts are coming from, then attack it, kill it, rule over it before it dethrones you. Have faith, believe in yourself, believe in what you can become. So I'm sure that the rest will be a story.